Welcome to Master Wealth, the channel dedicated to helping you master your finances and achieve lasting financial freedom. If you've ever felt trapped by mounting bills and financial stress, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll guide you through 10 crucial steps that can lead you towards financial stability and prosperity. But before we dive in, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support fuels our mission to empower your financial journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Keep track of your spending. One of the foundational steps toward financial freedom is keeping a meticulous record of your expenses. Every penny you spend should be accounted for. This practice not only helps you identify and eliminate inefficient spending, but also encourages better financial habits like saving and investing. The main goal of expense tracking is to identify and eliminate inefficient spending patterns in your financial life. It also promotes better financial practices like saving and investing. Remember the words of Peter Drucker: "If you can't measure it, you can't manage it." To take control of your spending habits, begin by analyzing your spending categories to determine which are essential. You might discover you've been paying for a subscription you no longer use. Most people find that cutting back on these non-essential expenses is a wise approach to saving money. You may also consider more cost-effective activities once you have a clear understanding of your spending. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain knowledge in the process. There's really nothing to lose by doing this. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding where your money goes, you gain control over your financial destiny. Number 2. Make a budget. Budgeting is a powerful tool that many people overlook. Some are concerned about the perceived hassle of creating a budget. However, the effort is well worth it. Look at budgeting from a different perspective and focus on the benefits it offers. Once you establish a budget, stick to it to maintain financial control. This consistent effort is crucial. Storing your budget away in a folder won't help. Keep it updated and consider using digital apps and software to simplify the process. There are numerous free tools available online to assist you. Tools like Sophie Relay, Molo, and Mint are just a few examples of these free tools. Don't be afraid to search around the internet for the budgeting app that best suits you. Number 3. Give yourself a limit on unbudgeting spending. Impulse purchases can wreak havoc on your finances. Implement the 1% rule. Wait 24 hours before buying anything that costs more than 1% of your yearly income. This cooling-off period gives you time to reconsider your purchase, distinguishing between wants and needs. Remember, mindful spending is key to financial stability. Number 4. Save for big purchases. Dreaming of a big-ticket item? Save for it diligently. Avoid credit card debt. Seeing an enticing advertisement for an expensive item doesn't mean you should immediately reach for your credit card. It's advisable to save for significant purchases rather than taking on a debt. Saving up for such purchases has several advantages, such as potential discounts and better financing terms. It also prevents you from dipping into your savings or investment accounts. Saving allows you to maintain your financial stability and avoid disruptions to your daily life. Number 5. Read books about finance. Knowledge is a powerful ally on your financial journey. Dive into books about finance. They offer invaluable insights and strategies. By educating yourself, you gain confidence and control over your money. Reading books aimed towards this literacy provides essential information and skills for managing your finances effectively. Financial literacy empowers you to make wise decisions about budgeting, saving, borrowing, and investing. This knowledge puts you in control of your financial destiny, providing you with a sense of comfort and security. Number 6. Lower your monthly bills. Reducing your monthly expenses is one of the simplest ways to gain control of your finances. While you may not be able to cut certain fixed costs, like rent or vehicle payments, you can reduce variable expenses through smart choices. Simple changes like using less power, switching insurance providers, or shopping for groceries in bulk can help you save money. Be cautious about taking on additional loans based solely on your eligibility, as they may strain your budget. Essentially, cutting back on variable expenses can significantly impact your budget. Shop smart, compare prices, and consider bulk discounts. Don't fall into the trap of accepting loans without evaluating your true financial capacity. Your peace of mind is priceless. Number 7. Eat at home. Cooking at home can save you a significant amount of money. Plan your meals, embrace online recipes, and bring your lunch to work. By reducing reliance on takeout, you'll be surprised at how much you can save while enjoying delicious homemade meals. To reiterate, cooking and dining at home is a cost-effective alternative to eating out. Reducing your reliance on takeout can save you a significant amount of money. Moreover, planning your meals for the week and sticking to the plan can make the process easier. The internet offers a wealth of culinary advice and recipes, even for those who don't consider themselves skilled in the kitchen. Start by cooking at home once a week and bringing your lunch to work. You'll be amazed by the savings. Number 8. Pay off your debt. Debt can be suffocating. List all your debts, make minimum payments, and strategize to pay them off swiftly. Consider negotiating lower interest rates or consolidating loans. The faster you pay off your debts, the larger your monthly budget becomes, allowing you to focus on building wealth. Number 9. Stop using credit cards. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword. While convenient, they can lead to a cycle of debt. Cut the habit of relying on credit for everyday expenses. Instead, adopt cash or debit cards for a disciplined approach to spending. Number 10. Continue to spend wisely. Embrace the concept of a spending fast. Challenge yourself to restrict discretionary spending for a set period. Evaluate your needs versus wants and redefine your relationship with money. This mindful approach will reshape your financial perspective, empowering you to make better choices. For those of you that are still here, thanks for sticking with us this far. As a thank you, here is a bonus tip that you can use to help you remain on track. Try a spending fast. A spending fast can help you regain control of your personal finances, especially if you struggle with credit card debt or other financial challenges. During a spending fast, you abstain from making discretionary purchases for a predetermined period. This approach is an effective way to reduce spending and re-evaluate your needs versus wants. It may sound challenging, but it doesn't have to be. Consider it a cleanse for your financial habits. During a spending fast, only essential categories like food, transportation, and recurring bills are exempt. By simplifying your life for a while, you can save money, change your behavior, and discover what truly matters to you. Congratulations! By following these 11 essential steps, you're well on your way to mastering your finances and achieving financial freedom. Remember, every step you take today shapes your financial tomorrow. If you have questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for joining us at Master Wealth. Hit the like button, subscribe for more empowering content, and have a financially abundant day. Until next time.